Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm going to talk about Google Forms. So we know that Google provides free surveys, or we can say survey templates, along with your account. I mean the Google account that you can use for your personal needs. So if you go to the URL docs.google.com/forms, you are going to come to this page where you can see the option to start a new form. You can either start blank or you can pick any of the templates. You have more templates here, like this is personal section, this is work, education. So these are the predefined templates. You can even create, as I said, from blank also. And if you go for this option, you can hide the templates. If you go for owned by me, you say this, not owned by me, nothing. You can even filter them, and you can even file use them for, where you can even use the file picker. All right, so let's start with one. So let's do two things. First, start with a predefined template. So I'm gonna go for this party invite. So I clicked on it. First of all, what is the first thing would you like to? I would like to change the title, so I'll say my party invite, and this is the description. What would you like? I don't like any description. Okay, so these are the predefined questions. You can change them right here, the type you want. You can convert the answer type. You can even change the questions. Please say your name. You have all these options available here. The good thing is you can here even add a video, add an image, anything you want. You can even use YouTube, or you can use any other you can even add the YouTube URL here. Anything you like, you have a lot of flexibilities available here if you want to include even video. So this is really going to be interactive when your users see this. And you have a tab for responses where you can see. If you select this get email notification for new responses, you are going to get it. You can even download, you can delete, print, unlink, anything you can do. And you create a spreadsheet out of the response. As of now there is no such response, so that's why you have nothing. Now suppose it's ready. Let's see what other options we have here. Theme customization. Yeah, this white looks very dull. How about this? How about this? This one looks even better. Font style formal. Oh yeah. Oh, playful. Yeah, this is party. It has to be something playful. All right. What else I have? Preview. Wow. Isn't it awesome? Well, it looks like. Two fields are mandatory. You can make other fields mandatory as well. You can see this required option. You can duplicate it. You can delete it. And you can put some description also. All right, all these flexibilities we have, and that too free of cost. Wow, that's really good. Now what? Send. So let's click on it. Okay. So now you have the option. How would you like to? You can share it on Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter. You can have other options like direct link here. You have this option of embed also. So let's. This is the direct link. You can short it. Yeah, this looks much better. And whatever, so click on copy. You remember there was an option collect email. So because we did not check it, so what I did now, I opened in a new browser just without logging into Google. So it is asking that you sign it, but it will remain anonymous. Now I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna reopen it with the option to collect. Let's see what happens. So as you can see now, I checked it. Collect email addresses. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna open it in a new browser. Let's see what happens now. Okay, it is still asking for it. Okay, so when I selected the option to collect email address, it is asking for, like, it's gonna add a field email address. That's what it was about. Okay, it's good to learn. Send option we already explored. Make a copy, preferred link, print, add collaborators, script editor, add-ons, preferences. So in preferences, what we have, make questions record, default point value. Okay, so we have all these options. What else we have here? Add-ons. Oh, so we have a lot of add-ons here that we can do. Wow. Okay, we'll work on that in a later, in a different video. Script editor. Oh, wow, so we can include even custom scripts also to achieve some custom targets. That's good. A good enhancement, no doubt. What else we have got? Add collaborators. Okay, it's me, but I can add collaborators. I can share only to collaborators. Okay, I can invite them here, and I can restrict, prevent editors from changing access and adding new people. Okay, who can access? I can change it. All right, this is my sharing settings. Perfect. And I have other option, move to trash and all. Okay, now let's respond and see what happens here. So I'm gonna click on send. I'm gonna get the link, I'm gonna copy, and I'm gonna open in a new browser. Okay, so in a different browser I took it. Let me see, let me fill this up. Just for, although I don't want to bring anything. No, this is not mandatory. I don't want to copy, but this option is there. So I clicked on submit, and I have the option to edit response also. Okay, now let's go back to the main form and see what's going on there. Okay, I've got a response. So I can see this is the option I have here. Wow, so all these options are available, and it is very easy to use. That's good. Now let's start from blank and see what options we get. So in blank, again we have the same things. First I need to select a name. Blank form please. Form description, no description please. I don't want to type, sorry. Untitled questions. First question. Oh wow, multiple choice. So same thing. This is, so basically this is exactly the same thing. The only thing is this is not pre-populated. Like Google has created some templates where you have questions and kinds of responses already present. But if you want to scratch everything on your own, you can just if you want to design everything on your own, you can just proceed from scratch. You can just add your questions, you can add your contents, and then you can proceed from there. Or else yes, you can define, you can use the predefined templates that are available. And we also saw that how you can link even YouTube videos by searching them on YouTube, or if you have direct links you can add pictures, and there are so many things to do, and it's really very funny to use this. And we also went through the response, that you can collect the response. And the good thing is all this, everything is just free, because we read on Google that it's free for personal use. That's really good. And this is a good way to collaborate. Yeah, so this is how it is and how simple it is. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any question, any concern, anything you want to ask, anything you want to see in future, just please go ahead and ask, and I would like to answer your questions. I'll try my best. And if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you.